Hey skincare lovers, today we're talking about something we all want, glowing wrinkle-free skin.
You probably want to get your hands on the best tools to help smooth those fine lines and feel fabulous.
Well, guess what? I've got you covered with my top picks for the best Dermarollers of 2025. And yep, they're doctor approved.
Let's dive in. Okay, let's start with the basics. What the heck is a Dermaroller?
Imagine a little handheld tool that's covered in teeny tiny needles.
Don't worry, they're not scary.
When you roll it over your skin, it creates tiny little micro injuries.
I know that sounds dramatic, but trust me, it's not as bad as it sounds.
These tiny pricks actually tell your skin, hey, it's time to make some new collagen.
So here's what dermarolling does for your skin. It helps boost collagen and elastin, which are basically the superheroes that keep your skin firm and elastic. It creates little channels that let all your amazing anti-aging products like vitamin C or retinol work even better.
And best of all, it gives your skin a fresh, rejuvenated look over time.
Step 1. Clean your skin and roller. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and oil. Pat dry with a clean towel. Sanitize your Dermaroller by soaking it in 70% isopropyl alcohol for 5 to 10 minutes.
Step 2. Choose the right needle size. 0.25 millimeters boosts product absorption, great for beginners. 0.5 millimeters reduces fine lines and boosts collagen. 1 millimeter or more targets deep wrinkles or scars, best done by professionals.
Step 3. Roll with technique, gently. Roll vertically, horizontally, and diagonally, about 5 to 6 times in each direction. For the forehead, roll upwards and side to side. For the cheeks, use outward motions from the nose. For the chin and jawline, roll from the center outwards. Around the eyes, be very gentle. Use 0.25 millimeters only.
Step 4. Stick to a schedule. 0.25 millimeters 2 to 3 times a week. 0.5 millimeters once a week. 1 millimeter every 2 to 4 weeks.
Step 5. Clean your roller after each use. Rinse under hot water, then soak in 70% isopropyl alcohol for 5 to 10 minutes. Store in a clean, dry case.
Pro tips for better results. Use dermarolling at night to let your skin heal while you sleep. Be gentle, no pressing too hard. It should feel like a light tickle, not pain.
Here's a simple and effective post-dermarolling skincare routine to maximize your results and keep your skin happy.
Step 1. Hydrate with a soothing serum right after rolling. After dermarolling, your skin absorbs ingredients up to 300% better. Let's make it count. Hyaluronic acid serum instantly hydrates and plumps. Recommended. The ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, $8 to $10.
Step 2. Lock in moisture with a gentle cream. Dermarolling can cause temporary dryness. Seal in hydration with a calming moisturizer. Fragrance-free moisturizer soothes and protects your skin barrier. Recommended. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, $13 to $16.
Step 3. What to avoid for 24 to 48 hours. No retinol. AHAs or BHAs like glycolic or salicylic acid, or alcohol-based products too harsh on freshly treated skin. Skip makeup for 24 hours to prevent clogging those open microchannels.
Step 4. Apply sunscreen if it's daytime. Your skin is super sensitive to UV rays post-roll. SPF is a must. SPF 30 or more broad-spectrum sunscreen protects your skin from sun damage. Recommended CeraVe Hydrating Sheer Sunscreen SPF 30, $15 to $18.
Step 5. Add active ingredients 24 to 48 hours later. Optional night routine. Once your skin has calmed down, it's time for anti-aging power. Vitamin C serum in the morning brightens and boosts collagen. Recommended timeless 20% vitamin C plus E ferulic acid, $15 to $20. Retinol serum at night speeds up skin renewal and smooths fine lines. Recommended, the ordinary retinol 0.5% in squalane, $10 to $12.
Post-dermarolling routine summary. Immediately after hyaluronic acid, then moisturizer. Next morning, sunscreen if daytime. After 24 to 48 hours, add vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night if desired.
Pro tips for faster results. Be consistent. Stick to the routine for at least 6 to 8 weeks for visible improvements. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Freshly microneedled skin loves moisture.
All right, now the fun part. Let's talk about my favorite Dermarollers for 2025. Whether you're a dermarolling newbie or a seasoned pro, I've got a perfect pick for you.
First up is the Beauty Bio Glow Pro. This little gem is a game changer. This one combines red LED light therapy with microneedling, like a pro-level treatment you can do at home. It's amazing for boosting collagen, smoothing scars, and tackling those fine lines. Pro tip: use it with a peptide serum for that spa-level experience. Your skin will be glowing and you'll feel like $1,000,000. Price $199.
Next up, if hydration is your thing, you need the Skin Gym Hyaluronic Roller. This one's packed with dissolving microneedles that are infused with hyaluronic acid, a skincare miracle worker. It's like giving your skin a giant drink of water. Pro tip: after you use it, pop on a hydrating mask and you'll look like a dewy goddess. Price $69.99.
Okay, for those of you on a budget, the Kitsch Dermaroller is your new best friend. It's affordable, super beginner-friendly, and helps your serums sink in deep, making them even more effective. Pro tip: pair it with a vitamin C serum for that extra burst of brightness. It's like a shot of energy for your skin. Price $14.
And for all my acne scar warriors, check out the Aura Micro Needle Roller. It has slightly deeper needles that help smooth out acne scars and refine skin texture. Pro tip: use this at night with a gentle serum and your skin will thank you in the morning. Price $30 to $38.
So there you have it, my top Dermaroller picks for 2025. Which one are you going to try?
Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're most excited about. And hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and join our skincare fam for more awesome tips.
Until next time, stay glowing and keep rolling.